Here we are at the first elevator at this building. This building has 3 very different and all very interesting elevators. So this video will be released as a series of 3. So this elevator is originally an old Otis, but it got modernized with C.J. Anderson. Very interesting mod. One button's burnt out, but the others. Oh. And all of these elevators are different. They all have different modernizations, different fixtures. It's very interesting. It's, oh wow, arms, what is this? Arms, high, okay. This is a very interesting, that button has not been pushed in a while. Capacity's 1,500 pounds. EWGD, which means it's winding drum. And then back down to 1, because I want to show you the drum. And the capacity is 1,500 pounds. See, EWGD in Chicago on the thing. If it says HYD, it's submersible hydro. DHYD, it's dry powered hydro. EWGD is winding drum. EWGT is just normal traction. The more you know. And I don't know what roped hydro is. I think it's RHYD, but don't quote me on that. Send it to 2. Wow, my backpack just got caught. There's the winding drum. Look at that. It's an Otis winding drum elevator.